the tank up?
I'll try it on you, but I can only do this one, alright?
I don't need you to do the other one.
Okay, well, I'll do one and that's it for me for today. I'm kind of tired.
Okay. No master, no master. No date on there. Can't find it. There's no date in there. Doesn't say anything in there. Eljer made in USA. PAT 1916''s-1970's. Interesting. I don't mind these, which does have a date, but I can't read it. It's on the second floor in the bed.
Okay, can I put the top back on?
And I'll like flush it.
Okay, fine.
That is a valve fill valve. I think the ones up on the, I think the other ones are like round. Really interesting though.